starts her day at sunrise, hearing that rooster crow. The hens are out there cackling, laying them eggs, you know. The barn could use some cleaning, making her hands so tough. She sure could use a tractor, and things wouldn't be so rough. Lord sent her a tractor, maybe a bush hog too. Lord, she needs a tractor, she's got a lot of work to do. She's got goat's milk and honey, farm fresh eggs to boot. Lord, give her a tractor, I'm asking this of you.
I grew up in the country, no better life I found. I'm a down-home country farm girl, gather produce from the ground. Working out there to sunset, the best way I know how. This farm girl needs a tractor, I sure could use a plow. Lord, send me a tractor, maybe a bush hog too. Lord, I need a tractor, got a lot of work to do. I have goat's milk and honey, farm fresh eggs and boot. Lord, give me a tractor, I'm asking this of you.
Lord, send her a tractor, I'm asking this of you.